So students, in this class we are going to discuss one more problem based on trigonometric identities. Let us see what the problem is. See here, we have given a secant theta plus b tan theta plus c equal to 0 and p secant theta plus q tan theta plus r equal to 0, and we need to show that br minus qc whole square minus pc minus of pc minus ar whole square equal to aq minus bp whole square. This we need to prove. Understand? So the condition is looking very lengthy, but it's very easy to prove if you understand that how to solve linear equation in two variables. Okay, first let us write down the given equations. Okay, what are the given equations here? Given a secant theta plus b tan theta plus c equal to 0. Just write it down. A secant theta plus b tan theta plus c equal to 0. This is the first equation which was given, and write down the second one also. P secant theta plus q tan theta plus r equal to 0. Just see, I want to tell you that please for a moment you feel that secant theta equal to x and tan theta equal to y. Then how the equations can be written here? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and here px plus qy plus r equal to 0. Can we write them like this or not? If we say that secant theta equal to x and tan theta equal to y, then simply we can say this is ax by plus c equal to 0, and this is px plus qy plus r equal to 0. Right? Now, these two are representing linear equations or not? Yes. These two are representing linear equations in two variables. What are the two variables? X and y. And of course, those two variables are here secant theta and tan theta. Right? Okay. Just see how to solve this. How to solve these equations means how to find out the values of x and y. I don't want to tell you the procedure behind this, and I don't want to discuss the concept behind this. I'm telling you only how to solve it. We'll discuss the concept in linear equations part. Okay, we have that lesson also. We'll discuss the concept behind solving this in the concept of linear equation. Present we are just discussing how to solve that. Okay, just remember. Okay, here x by just think, close the x terms. Okay, close the x terms and do the cross multiplication like this. Okay, b into r minus, okay, c into q equal to, now write down y by close the y terms. Okay, now you close the y terms. Actually we have multiplied in this direction first, no, in this direction next, but for y term we do the reverse, we follow the reverse order. First follow this terms. Okay, this coefficient of x with this constant pc, okay, minus ra or ar. Okay, now we got this equal to 1 by close the constant terms. Okay, close the why we are getting 1, don't think about that, forget, because we'll discuss that in the topic of linear equations. Okay, just now solve it. Okay, just see this, close the constant terms in that, means c and r. Now again go with the first time, first time aq minus pb or bp, same or not? See, like that we need to get. Okay, so same way, in the same way we can apply here also or not? Yes, apply that. Here x would be what? Secant theta. Okay, let me write here, x is secant theta. Now close this x terms. What do we multiply? br minus qc. Okay, secant theta by br minus qc. Now what is y here? Tan theta. Tan theta is a variable upon close the tan theta terms. Now CP or PC minus AR. Okay, I said reverse order, follow this. Okay, now again 1 by, close the constant terms. Now again follow the same order, AQ minus PB or BP, AQ minus BP. We just solved it. I actually didn't teach you the actual process. Okay, this is just how to solve it, I said you. Okay, now just see. Secant theta by BR minus QC equal to tan theta by PC minus AR equal to 1 by AQ minus BP. Now I'll tell you one rule here, just see. That rule would be, if three numbers are equal or three expressions are equal, that would be your A equal to B equal to C. If three expressions are equal, then any two of them are equal or not. A equal to B or B equal to C or A equal to C means what? If three numbers or three different expressions are equal, then any two of them will be equal. Okay, so using that we can say here, we can make these two equal or not. Yes, secant theta by BR minus QC equal to 1 by AQ minus BP. Now we want to find out the value of secant theta. Then what you will do? You will shift this to this side. So secant theta equal to what? BR minus QC will be written in the numerator part. BR minus QC by AQ minus BP. Okay, so now just see here, this is the value of secant theta we find. This is the value of secant theta we find here. Okay, the next one. Now take these two equal. Okay, tan theta upon PC minus AR. PC minus AR equal to what? 1 by AQ minus BP. AQ minus BP. Now you want to find out the value of tan theta. So keep tan theta here and shift this to this side. Then what will get? AQ minus BP, right? So this is the value of tan theta. Now take second identity of trigonometry. What is second identity of trigonometry? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 or not? Yes. You know this is the value of secant theta in terms of ABC and PQR. And you know the value of tan theta in terms of ABC and PQR. So substitute the values of these two in that. Secant theta means BR minus QC by, right, just see. Secant theta whole square, no? So here BR minus QC by AQ minus BP whole square minus what is the value of tan theta? PC minus AR. PC minus AR by AQ minus BP whole square, because tan square theta we put the squares, equal to what? 1. Now let us put the squares for numerator and denominator separately. So see this here, BR minus QC whole square by AQ minus BP whole square minus of PC minus AR whole square by this square AQ minus BP whole square equal to 1. If you observe, denominators are same or not? So these are like fractions. So what can we do here? We can write down the denominator in common. Okay, don't need to take LCM. Okay, we can write down the denominator as common. AQ minus BP whole square was, okay, denominator part, and BR minus QC whole square minus of PC minus AR whole square. equal to what? 1. Now shift this to this side. What will happen? BR minus QC whole square minus PC minus AR whole square equal to what? AQ minus BP whole square. AQ minus BP whole square. Did we obtain this or not? This is what? See here, BR minus QC whole square equal minus PC minus ER whole square equal to AQ minus BP whole square. Like this we obtained. Understood? It's a very simple thing. You can get it. What we did here, we just solved these two linear equations. Okay, this method of course I didn't teach you. Okay, I just taught how to find out by using the technique, and then after we find the secant theta value and tan theta value in terms of ABC and PQR, and we substituted in the trigonometric identity secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Then we put the value of secant theta and tan theta here, and then after we simplified further to get the required condition. Understood? Like this we can do it. So anyways guys, if you have any doubts or if you did not understand anything in this, you can put them in the comment section. And one more thing, here your comments are very important for us, because if you want to make better videos, then we need what are your requirements. Anyways, try to put the comments.